sun. So today is the day that I'm going to transform into a full-on ABG. That's why I have no makeup right now. I've seen a lot of content creators do this, like Sarah, Hannah, Michelle Choi. So I thought I'd give it a try because I love trying out different makeup looks. And I have done this once before on my TikTok. How to spot an ABG, an acronym for Asian baby girl, meaning an Asian female gangster. I'm definitely not a gangster. Wear thin clothing. ABGs are known for dyeing their hair a lot. I do dye my hair a lot. They probably have teased hair, bangs, and have had extensions at one point or another. I don't have extensions.
You're just gonna deal with an ABG that has short hair.
What I should have for this look: hair extensions, which I don't have. Big lashes, I have that. Boba, I'll probably go and get. Long nails, I don't have long nails right now. I usually get my nails done, but we're in the middle of the pandemic, so I'll probably just go out and buy stick-on nails. Dragon or flower tattoo, I do have a flower tattoo. I'm just gonna like use a stick-on. Contacts, I have that. Sports car, I have a Toyota Corolla and it's sports version, but it's not a sports car. I'm going to start doing the makeup portion first. I don't want to have to do my makeup while I have stick-on nails because I don't know how easily they come off.
I don't want my boba to get bad, so we're going to do that afterwards.
Okay, let's get on with doing the makeup. So I'm going to start off this makeup look by using a powder on my face. I learned this new like foundation trick where you put on powder first. Use Maybelline's 24-hour Fresh Wear. This is supposed to match to your skin color, but I got a shade that's a little darker, so we're just gonna use that today. I put a little bit of setting spray on this foundation. I can definitely tell a difference when I use this foundation because I usually use a foundation that's either my skin tone or a little bit lighter. Alright, so now I'm going to put on concealer. Get my dark eye circles, do my eyebrows a black color, do them a little bit more angled today. I don't know what outfit I'm going to wear too. Like, is there a specific ABG outfit besides thin clothes? Now I'm going to conceal part of my eyebrow so that it kind of looks like I have a cut in the eyebrow. I usually use this like method if I want to like look cool in my look, and then just draw straight down. And just do two, top and the bottom. Put on a red lipstick. This one by Rom and Percy Red. Okay, lips done. You definitely don't need lip fillers to look like you have full lips. To do contour.
I don't contour that often, to be honest.
Contour my nose. I don't usually like contouring my nose because my nose is so flat already. Like every time I contour it just doesn't make it look any less flat. Red blush above the contour. I swear my look looks very dramatic right now. I feel like I'm just putting on so much contour on my face. A little bit of highlight to balance out this contour. And then highlight on my nose. Use this gold shimmery color. This is a palette I made on ColourPop. Red color, this is called Spoiled, and the Yes Please palette. Right where your crease is. And then drag just a little bit underneath, not too much. I usually do a lot of like red underneath here because I like that very flushed, like Japanese girl type of look. Can't do too much here, you know, I'm trying to look like a baddie. A winged eyeliner, and then I'm just gonna curve it up like this and draw it straight down. I haven't done a makeup look in so long that I just don't know how to do it with my camera anymore. Here's my eyeliner look. I'm going to curl my lashes and put on these giant lashes. I'll probably put on this one. Now I have my lashes in, my contacts in, my hair done. Put on these hoop earrings that say baby on them. If I'm talking weird, it's because I put my Invisalign back in. And you know what? I already have multiple piercings. Completes the look without having to pierce my ears. And I'm going to put on these dragon tattoos now. I have these 2 designs. I'll probably do these 2 big ones. And then I'm supposed to spray down the tattoo itself with water. Good thing I have a bottle of water here. Let me use a wet towel. These bigger tattoos are kind of hard to put on. So there it is. Put this one like right here. So now the tattoos are on. Grab some boba and some fake nails to put on. Alright, so I'm going to a place called Tea Time Cafe to get some boba. That's the one that's closest around me, so that's why I don't want to go far to get boba. I'm also wearing a jacket because I guess I don't want anyone to ask me about the dragons, mainly because they're fake. At Target now. I literally should have gotten the nails first because then my boba wouldn't be sitting in the car, but I'll hurry up and look for them. I don't have anything longer than this, so I guess this will do. I got my boba, I changed my outfit, and I got these nails that I gotta put on now. It's my first time using these press-on type of nails. I guess you just peel off the backing and stick it on your nails. They're not as long as I thought they would be. I guess it does work. I don't know how long it would last though. Dump all of them out so I can figure out what nail fits which one. I completed the look, got my nails in, my outfit on, my tattoos, my earrings, my makeup, even my boba. I got like a taro coconut. Okay, so this completes my look. I think I did well on a challenge besides these nails since they're just stick on. It's really fun to do and probably very difficult for me to edit. Thumbs up the video, hit the bell icon for notifications. If you're not subscribed to me yet, please subscribe to me and follow me on my Instagram, my TikTok, all of that good stuff. What do you guys think of this look? What should I do next for my next videos? Should I do different types of looks? Bye-bye!